Hi, I'm Adhemare and I'm from Rotterdam.
Hi, I'm Pim and I'm also from Rotterdam.
We work at the Erasmus University of Rotterdam. I work as a grant manager for the economics department.
And I also work at the Erasmus University and I work for prizes and awards for the whole university.
Searching for a big beach.
Well, it's really fun because Rotterdam, it's the second city of the Netherlands and we're just getting more and more popular. I was born and raised there and she was not born there but fled to Rotterdam as soon as possible. It's really fun, there are a lot of young people, everything is new, everything is happening. There are a lot of cultural things which are...
Well, we came to Verona to learn more about the University of Verona, to exchange knowledge and well, meet new people, broaden our network, learn what you do in research.